Hey guys, it's Amir and welcome to We're With Motors, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change, let me get this right, the indicators on the wing mirrors of an Audi A3. God, that was hard. The code name is 8V, I believe it's a 2012 Audi, it is my friend's Audi BAT. So we're going to go over to him now and we'll walk you through the process, so I'll see you there. Okay, so we are here, and this is the A3. Here is the owner, Batan Demerol, and what we are doing is changing these because look at the state of them. Yeah, not great. So yeah.
Right, so I've just received the package and I'll show you what comes inside of it. I've had a look inside of it just before, but I'll give you guys a look as well. So what comes inside of it is the two LED indicator lights, which do scroll along. So you get two of those, of course. And you also get the prying tool to take off the mirror, and also a little torque Allen key to undo the bolts for the mirror caps. So let's get right onto it. Right, so I can't take off the mirror when it's in the normal position, so I'd also recommend this to you guys, is move the mirror as far outwards as you can, so this bit is as far out this way, because then you can get this underneath and just pry it off without snapping the glass or breaking. So I've just moved it, I hope you guys can see. I'm going to use the bigger end of the tool to hopefully just get in, and then it'll pop off. So hopefully you guys can see this, but open up and break it. So it should come off. There's a couple clips around it. This is very scary as well. Yep.
Oh no.
It feels like you're gonna break it, but no.
Trust
Okay.
the process.
Yeah, let's try and get a close up for this. So these long tabs here, they go into here and then there. And what I just did was put the pry tool in and then go atop and just pull it really hard. It feels like you're gonna break it, but it just snaps straight off.
What you then want to do is pull the shell off like so.
Okay, got it. Okay, it's dusty on. Okay.
Well, we've successfully got the cap off.
Right, so with the torque screw you've got to take off this screw right here. You can get a close up. So that one there, and then there's one also inside, if I can find it again. It is just right there, you can see that. So those are the two screws you need to take off, I believe, and that's what's holding in the light. Okay, so now once you've taken those screws out, let's take out the connector. Oh my god.
Just be very careful with this.
Yeah, try not to pull on the wires.
I made that mistake on a very old PlayStation.
I also might check out this wire because it's been causing me a few problems with this indicator, which I'm not sure why, but anyway, now that you've taken that off, next there is 4 clips which are down in between here, which we'll get a close-up of later. So there's 1 in the edge, 2, 3, and then 4 there, and you can see it quite easily. There we go. Lifts up.
Cheers out.
Jeez, look how dirty that is. with a lot more ease. Make sure you don't chop the wires as well. Make sure it's all clipped in. Oh my god, I almost just broke something. So I'm just going to make sure like this. Yeah, there you go. It looks a lot better because it's like nice and dark. Connect it up, which should just go this way. And then before you put everything together, obviously check if it's working.
There we go.
That's a lot brighter than the old one as well.
That looks very nice.
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay.
So that's the original indicator, and as you can see, there is a massive difference in the brightness compared to the new one. Damn, that looks nice.
Okay, now it's just about putting everything back the same way it all came out. So the 2 screws first, which I've now lost.
Really?
Yep.
So guys, make sure you don't lose the screws, because we've now got a task of finding it. It's currently in the base of the cap, or the mirror.
I suggest you get one thing, it's tweezers for jobs like these. I hope I can get it. Yes, there we go.
We've got it, we've got it.
Maybe
So
look
if
at
that
it.
happens, just get some tweezers.
And if you drop it on that side, you're fucked.
Yeah, basically. So, be careful.
Right guys, the next step after installing that and then fitting the 2 screws, simply slide this straight back on. And to line it all up with the clips, which I think is about right there. You just simply push it back in, I think. And yeah, I think that's it actually. Simply wrap that down.
Oh yeah.
Yep. And then it's as simple as clicking the mirror in. It's as simple as how you took it out. Make sure the wires go in, line up the clips, and just push near the middle, I guess. Fitted. Easy as that.
There we go. That is the finished product.
And then of course, repeat it for the other side.
So these are the old ones, and they do not look that nice. And that is the indicators complete, and I must say they look so much better than the old ones. So I hope you gained some knowledge, and I hope we helped you there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.